Dos, mananalo ng Osman, Mario Gomez, ng Bulok. Isa po ito sa mga inaabang matchup, Munoz and Rizal. And here we go, Jamolipi, Mauro, and Abrahamo.
Hindi pa nga nakalaro.
And Munoz gets the ball. Here comes Marahan. Turdino. Pass the Marahan again. Number teammates. Pass outside. 10 seconds to the shot clock. Here comes the teammates. 5 seconds. Turdino pass outside. Angeles. And that is good. No good. Here comes the steal. Pino. Pass inside. And Abrahamo. First rocket from Munoz. Gabasan sending the play, pass to the middle, to Mauro. Mauro back to Gabasan, fake. Gabasan cross the lane, attack. And there's a whistle. Foul is number 77, pushing foul. Abrahamo, personal foul. And basket at the first. In and out of the second. Abrahamo, Radamis. Here comes Pino. Pino setting the play. Pass for teammates. Angeles in the corner. Pass outside. Pino. And again, corner 3. Angeles. Brother. Hitting out. And rebound by here comes Gabasan, extra pass. Pass to her teammates, floater. Floater to the shot. Here comes to Leon. Leon, and again, the whistle blow. There's a property violation. Here comes Tino. Set the screen. Bad pass and steal. Here comes Leon. Pass to Gaspan. Espando, rubber. Pass to the middle. Here comes Mauro. Strong move. Pass outside. 10 seconds to the shot clock. Here comes Gabas in the top. And the shot's good. Dino with the ball. Here comes Barakan. Abrahamo. Pass outside again. Dino break. Here comes Barakan. Pass inside. Abrahamo at the proper. And pass outside. Here comes Dahat. Lays up. And Victoriano for the answer. Leon. And Munoz take the possession. Take the possession. Dino with the ball. Dino over teammates. Here comes Victorama. Wide open three. Not this time. And long by Mauro. Dino on the run. Escanda. Spin. Lose the ball. And Luis and Chloe. Foul is number 32. Beat the hand. Dino. First personal foul. Ball development pass to Leon. To Gabasan. Fake. Gabasan used it. And basket is good. Dino. Send the play. Williams. Victorama. Pass to the middle. With the shot. Agnes. No good. Long by the back on. And Goller. And this is Jamel. Rizal basketball. Here comes the Basa. Set is good by Mauro. Goes to three. Really now. Here comes the steal by Vitorama. Casadino. Tino. And Barhaman gets the money. Lubasan with the ball. Here comes the Leon. Espando. With the way shot. Not design. And Abrahano. Rodriguez. Casadino. Dino. Here comes Vitorama. Parangan drive and the whistle goal.
Tapang si Abro,
Oh, yes,
nasa
number
Munyos.
6. Holding foul. This was the foul of the Paco.
Aquino.
And Mauro Rodriguez, Santos, Jimmy.
Inter, Barangay. Malipit.
Pass outside. And he's going to steal. De Leon, Agtabasan, not the break. And he puts it in. Here comes Nino, guarded by Gabasan. Nila siya ng gawin, pass to Barangan. Barangan, pass the middle. Angeles, one-hand shot. And Angeles for the finish. 8-7, 1-point lead. Team Muñoz. Santos, to Gabasan. Pass to the middle, pass inside. Espando reverse. And lose the ball. Here comes the steal. Angeles. Pass to Barangan. Oh, final shot. And Barangan. That's it for two. Santos pass inside. Espando is rock move. And again, fadeaway shot of Carmen. Rebound by Abrahano. Pino with the ball. Victorama. Paso Abrahano. Abrahano also no good. Here comes the Leon, Gabasan, 1-on-1. You understand? Wow, and the shot is good. Carol goal, Kim Muñoz.
Owa. Lalo na sana kung dito, mababay rin.
Bigdaman Mounting, Williams Tino. Tino, local teammates, pass to Barangan, lost the green. Miss with the shot, and over by Angeles. Angeles, pass outside to Tino. 8 seconds on the shot now. Wide open three, too strong. And for the putback, Victorama. Santos. Passing time again. And Espando for the answer. Tino. Barangan with the ball. Back to Tino. Pass to the middle. Bounce pass inside. And then the dropping. And there's someone up. Obviously number 13, blocking foul. And Barangan out. Peralta check in. And Vigano check in. Vigorama out.
At napilok pa.
Senior rebounding, going for the receiver. Bounce pass to Toben. Toben, attack, no good. Kuringan, runner, Kuringan. And Vigano cover, no good. Santos. Set the screen. Going for teammates. He loves the steal. Peralta. Peralta, pass inside. Here comes Tino Pay. And Tino. We got it. Espando Pay reverse. And Tino Pay. Foul is number 13. Pushing foul. First personal foul, Vigan. And Espada will go to bench. Angeles and Lee. Thank you. Over in first. And Bukitsanan is not out. Corpus for the Sweets. Williams Tino. Tino traffic, pass to Peralta. Cross pass and last touch, Tibizan. They got an inbounding. Extra pass outside. Tino to Peralta. To Ticano. 10 seconds to Zata. Extra pass outside. Bounce pass to B.
Atay.
That is time. And there's a rebound by Rubigan and Whistle Dole. Foul is number 0. First personal foul, Santos, pushing foul. He's at the first. And last free throw from Torino. Bring it up to the second. Santos grab the leash. Santos on the run. William Santos. Lost the three. Short on the shot. Offensive rebound. And the shot is blocked. And again, strong move. And the whistle go. Jump ball. Munoz basketball. Williams Tino set the screen kay Torigan. Pass to Peralta. Back to Tino. Tino, goal for teammates, 10 seconds. Pass outside Williams Peralta. 5 seconds. At the traffic, no good. Other with rebound. And turnover. Single. Munoz basketball. Tino inbounding. Williams Peralta. Back to Tino. Tino goes to three. At this time. And Lima by Corpus. To rebound by Williams Gabasan. Gabasan. Pull up. No good. And Rizal basketball. Laslas Vegano. Santos. Santos again. Santos is speed. At the traffic, double defender. Pass outside to Ugali. Right open three. Bam! Ugali for three. And for the lead, 15-14. Lead by Team Rizal. Tino, pass to the middle. And reverse 16. Ugali. Pass to Gabasan. Gabasan lays up. Not this time. And the pressure rebound by Ugali. And there's a troubling violation. Tino to Decano. Decano, open three. Hit it out. And long by the tackle. William Santos. Santos with the ball. Here comes Corpus. Pass to the middle. Great tackle, lose the ball, and there's a contact. Foul is number 13. Lead dance. Second personal foul, Decano. Tino out, and Farinas going in. He's at the first. And Loose no good from Ripampo. Bigaws Marinas. To Peralta. Back to Marinas. Marinas to Degano again. Goes to three. Miss the shot. And for the full cut. Marinas no good. Bottle by the rebound. Here comes Gabasan. Drop the miss. Gabasan on the run. Gabasan na down the lane. And yes, he got it. Levi points with Gabasan. Tosain, acrobatic shot. Shot is out. And Gabasan again. At the break, Ugali. And Ugali, he puts it. Varinas. Varinas in the lane. 10 seconds on the game clock. Here comes the steal. Santos. Santos lays up. And basket is good. And that's the end of the first quarter. And the score 21-14. Lead by Team Rizal. And again, we're back. Second quarter, 21-14, lead by the guest, Rizal. Gabasan with the ball. Pass to Ugali. Gabasan outside. Take a shot, long two, short. Rebound, Santos. Nino. Share out the court three, short again. Here comes Team Rizal. Red Paco on the run, still by Team Munoz. Counter still, Ugali, nice pass inside. And the finish is good. Red Paco. Team Munoz, Tino. Tino to Santos. Tino, guarding by Gabasan. Here comes again. And last touch, Rizal. Degano will go to the bench. Barangan going in. Five to shoot. Again, here comes the steal. At the break, Gabasan once again on the run, pass inside, and the whistle blow. And a chance here for the free throw, on jersey number 23. First personal foul, Peralta. And first shot, good. Second throw miss, Corrigan, rebound. Di Munoz again, Tino. Tino. Pass outside and three. Peralta. Santos. Ugali. And the answer. Michael Bus, miss. Again, Team Munoz. Barangan, drive, shot is blocked. Santos from the miss. Santos. At the dropping, nice pass again. But shot is blocked. There's an offensive foul call for Team Munoz, jersey number 16. First personal foul, Santos. Gabasan fake, Gabasan baseline floater, yes. Oh, come on. The leading scorer. Oh, Team Rizal. Darin Gabasan. Here comes Team Munoz. Peralta, pass Again, still by Ugali. And lose the ball. Turnover. Munoz take possession. 26-17. 7 minutes 38. Second quarter.
Right.
Dino. Dino penetrate. Pass outside. Short. At the break again. Kapasan. Challenging to defender. No good. And there's a whistle. Number 7. Pick up his first. Kapasan.
Sipag yun. Kasipag siya eh. Basan, gabasan na.
Susunod na pa yan. Nasa senior na yan.
Susunod.
Here we go. Team Munoz, Peralta to Barangan. Pass to the middle. Turingan. Peralta launch the three. No good. And jump ball. Second, Munoz take possession. Retain possession. Peralta will go to the bench. Dimenso, check in. Joel with the shot clock. Nice pass inside. Turingan gets the bucket. And a quick 2. 7-point ball game. Rizal. Santos. Ugali take a shot for Gray. Air one. And turnover. Dino. Dino to Barangan. Back to Dino. Dino. Loader miss. And Munoz retain possession. Ortuz will go to the bench. Mauro, check in. Under 7 minutes to go. Dimenso, long two at the corner. No good. Again at the break. Kampasan once again. And the layup is good. Off the window. Pino. Pino attack. Pass inside. Shot is blocked. Nice defense talaga para sa Team Rizal. Talaga pinagandaan nila ang number 1. Munoz, kapasan fake at the traffic. Pass inside. Block by Turingan. Kapasan. 10 to shoot. Santos. Wide open three. Bang! Again, 31-19. Dino. To Barangan. Dimenso, back to Dino. Dino attack, and that one goes out for Dino. And for jersey number 6, second personal foul with Paco. Ugali out. And Turingan out. Abraham De Leon checking back. And one chance again for Dino. 10-point advantage, Rizal. And the league is down to 9. Dino out. Pumasan out. Pinulyar and Marinas checking. Santos, one of the best guards here in the Intertown. Aaron Santos. Santos to Ugali. Santos again. And Santos fire. Short this time. Di Muñoz. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Marinas. Outside. Barangan. Barangan drive. Pass it. Pass to Steven. Again. Rizal. On the rebound. Pass to Ugali. And Ugali lose the ball. Marinas again. Setting the play. Jimenso. Back to Marinas. And wide open shot. For two. No good. Again. Rebound Santos. Santos. Left wide open. Bingo! Para kay Santos.
Marder ah.
And timeout call. Sayang City o Muñoz. And we're back.
Yan, bigyan mo sa mama mo.
4 minutes and a half. 34, 22.
Diyan o.
Rizal is on top. 1 point advantage.
Ayun o. Ayun o, nice time.
Marinas Jimenso. Marinas. Peralta drive. Nice pass. Abrahano. On balance yan. Degano. And Degano. Throw a foul for jersey number 2. Holding foul. Penal yard. And first shot good by Degano. Second throw miss. And again, there's a contact. Number 23. First personal foul, Mauro. Warning or penalty, Rizal. Peralta outside. Peralta to Degano. Pass inside. Jimenso. And short on the shot. Again, Santos. Santos cross the lane. Pass inside, De Leon. Jimenso out. Santos in. Then on the shot clock. Ugali, 6 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Santos. And shot is up. Rebound na Abrahano. Marinas. Pass it outside. And shot is up. Again. Abrahano for the spin. Lower. Degano. Miss again. Pinolgar. And Pinolgar comes to work. Santos to Pinolgar. To Ugali. Ugali at the baseline. Pinolgar. Mauro. No good. Rebound. Santos. Marinas. Marinas for 2. In and out. And reverse. Peralta. Win by 34. And Santos throw foul for jersey number 31. Ugali out. Pinolgar out. Rabasan and Pacol checking back. Rabasa to Santos. Set the screen, and Pakol, take a shot for 3. No good. Delgado, short on the 3. And Marakalan, Daryl Gabasan, Daryl, and last touch, green shirt. Santos inbounding, looking for the receiver. Pass inside, Greg Pangol, triple defender. Greg Pangol to Santos. Again, Santos launch the 3. Money! Another money for Santos. Again, under 2 minutes. Munoz, Morata, 8 to shoot. Marinas drive, off balance shot, over, at the rate, then Leon all alone, and the layup is good. 14-point advantage. Team Rizal. Here comes the Bufalos. Morata. Abrahano, attack, nice penetration by Abrahano. And timeout call, I guess, Rizal. Warning, there's a warning for technical jersey number 18, Santos, for the second motion. And we're back. 1 minute 13 seconds here in the first half. Rizal basketball. Gabasan again. Gabasan drive. And shot is up. Andrea. Marinas. Marinas to Abrahano. Nakakabilis talaga ni Gabasan. Abrahano once again. And a foul call inside. Number 23, pushing foul. 7 personal foul. Mauro. Abrahano at the free throw line. First shot short. Second throw miss. Gabasan to De Leon. De Leon, nice move, and he gets the bucket off the glass. Marinas, pass to Santos inside. Answer miss. Again, Team Rizal. Possession. De Leon. De Leon to Rectangol. Rectangol at the traffic. Shot is blocked. Here comes Balaman, lays up. And short again. Santos. Crossover. Santos. And he got hit. The shot miss from jersey number 11. Balaman first personal foul. Warning for technical bench of Rizal or reception of a handball. And Turing Alpino checking back. Santos will go to the line to shoot two. First shot, no good. 9.9 remaining. First shot. 41-27. And the second Chicano. And point one remaining. Isang pick lang yan, isang pick. And that's time for the second quarter, 42-27. Lead by Dages Rizal.
Saka yung outside. Ano, ganito, pagka nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon tumira sa labas, okay lang na tumira tayo. Ano, basta hindi tayo contested. Kahit sino sa atin, magtiwala kayo sa kasama nyo. Pero kung contested yun, wag kayo tira. Iikot mo na natin yung bola. Ano, hanggat makakita tayo na kung sino ang mas open, siya ang titira. Always protect the ball, tulad nun. Ano, mag-adjust tayo, turingan. Pagkaroon mo sa tira bola sa gitna, go hard to the basket. Basta ilang pwede, kung hindi kaya, inom mo dalawang quick. Pero yung isa nating tao, naka-amis na isa na.
For the second half.
Oh, pwede ka nang umupo dyan. Habang naglalaro.
And San Basketball. Rebound by Santos. Williams lepasan. Set screen by Mauro. Lepasan, pass outside. To Leon. Fake. The design. And Warangan Bracalis. Williams Tino. Tino back to Warangan. Warangan pass outside. Williams Peralta fake. Is up. Short of the shot. And Mauro Bracalis. Lepasan on the right. Lepasan. Williams dominate. Mauro. Pass inside. Short again. And Julian Yulon. Tino. Williams Peralta. Back to Tino.
Patay.
To Barangan. 10 seconds of shot. Lost the three of Parker. And Leon Yulon. Leon Moran. Setting the play. Pass to Santos. Santos from way down. Use the shot. Williams Tino. Barangan. Next to pass to Peralta. Goes the three. And too strong. San Basketball. The pass away the ball. Here comes the passer. And take a shot, no good. Turingan the run. Turingan pass inside. And Peralta. And one basket count. Basket count for number 2. Lucy Powell. Seven. And you pick the 3-point play. Lepasan di ball. Set the screen by Maro. Guarding by Marang Santos. And Rizal taking the possession. Low to the receiver, Santos. 10 seconds of shot clock. Low third, short. And so rebound by Santos again. 10 seconds, goes to three. Practice time, and again. Another rebound, Turingan the ball. Good Tino, extra pass. Rebounds their teammates, and the shot is good. Angeles, 14. And this goes for 14. Service bring by Maro. William Santos. Pass inside. Pumilo. Pumilo sa steal. At the break. Barangan. Lays up. And it puts it in. And there's a technical foul call for jersey number 11, Barangan for County. Kalma lang po tayo sa lahat po ng players namin. Laro-laro lang po. Maraming salamat po. And good. Espanto out. Rebambol checking. Lepas itu ball. Kita sudah pasang. Kita logo. Bagusan. Kemudian yang terus itu. Ball is number 6. Holding foul. Third personal foul. Red Ampon. Pino. Tubarangan. Back to Pino. Williams Peralta. Putting again, pass to the middle, throwing hand, extra pass outside, Peralta, wide open three, on target. And again, Luis Eldo. Foul using number 19. First personal foul, Angeles. Santos, Silva. Let's pass the owner. Conference and pitch. And one, Mizu. There's Ansco.
Hindi ko susunugod na engine eh.
Nakita yun ah. Ano nangyari?
Muraan, biglang lumapit sa engine. Kalaki-laki eh.
Ay,
Kaya lang, anos po na. Nasigmuraan. Thrown out. Thrown out. Thrown out po yung wak.
And last ball possession. Basket is good.
ano siya lalaro? Next game.
Sayang, ang laki pa naman
And
niya.
substitution. And 40 seconds shot. Peralta, Williams Tito. Pass to Peralta again. Extra pass out, 10 seconds. Lose the ball, becomes a steal to Franco. At the break, Labasa lays up. And we lose it.
Sipag talaga nun.
Williams Tito. Williams, pass outside. And again, Peralta launch. Not this time. And rebound by Santos. Santos from the right. Bounce pass to Rupangol. Rupangol back to Santos. Here's the steal. Barangan lays up. Rebound. Ball for the Utah. And the second steal. Barangan. Santos. Santos bring the Rupangol. Here's the steal. Barangan again. Focus to Barangan. Santos again. Pass to the middle for Cruz. of Bracket. And Pino, Brackers. Pino, here comes Torina, Madame Lorraine, is up, leading out, and gonna be down.
Lakas.
Torina and Hamilton, Pino's up. And they score 45-39. 6-point lead from Pino's up.
Sa motor.
Good evening. Bilang sa tabasan. Tabasan dito mo. Second to game. Pass through down. Then sinasasaka. Open is over. And dito over. And there's a number. Ninos basketball. Pera now. Timothy. Leader Stilo. November teammates, Tugalangan. Back to Kingdom. Benson to Saka, pass outside, and again. Shot is off. Ringan Benson rebound. Rebound swing over by Barangan. 8 seconds. Pass to the corner 2, and the shot is good. Benson for 2. Rebound Sugayo for the answer. Not this time, this one. And rebound Marquez. To Torina. Torina Naka, and there's a foul. Position number 7, holding foul. Second personal foul. Labasa. And warning for penalty, Team Luzon. Barangan, passing side. And step out of bounds. Williams Gabasan, pass to Santos. Set here by Bacol. Santos to Gabasan. Gabasan again, pass inside, Brogani, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Brogani on the graphic. Williams take a shot. Gabasan. And good for answer.
Galing talaga.
Hinga. Tugarama. Coutinho again. Dimenso outside. And again. 43. Dimenso.
Tatlo na lang.
Santos. And the lead from the
Agaw pa. Pinalibag.
Barangan at the break. And increasing.
Ito na lang.
And the lead down to 1. 47-46.
47-46.
Gabasa Booger.
Yo!
And Corona Gomez. William Stino. Pass to Angeles. Angeles Gasoline moves the ball. And because it's steal, Santos. Santos lays up. Good. Pino. And Barangan cover. Pass to the middle. Torigan lays up. And around. There's a number. Policy number 10. Big man.
Inunay highlight.
This is the foul niya.
Inunay highlight.
And Angeles William Defense. Bigano for the Swiss.
Kain yan eh.
Takit pa siya mag-shoot.
Oo, kain yan eh.
Ang issue sa bench ng Munoz. Palabas ko lang po ng buhay. Maraming salamat po.
All.
And the beat will be James Lee. 48-47. Naman po ng isang Team Muñoz. Santos to Mali. Bilang Subali sa screen. And beyond. Ubali at Ubali. Pass for the back. Lupaco.
Tama!
And Pino against the Mensa. Pass to Pino again. Pino. Pino's Barangan. Next to pass. Corner. North Street. Delgado. Not this time. And long by Lupaco. To Santos. Santos. From top of the key. Yes, sir. Worthy. Here comes Nino. Pass to Korean Lydia. Cross the lane. Under Coffee. And again, he will hit. Obviously, number 25. Holding foul. First personal foul. Ugali.
Yung lakas mo ba? Yan. Yung.
Meron pass to the Bruce.
Taga-pay-pay po. Oh. Ayan, lakas mo ate, lakas mo pa.
Pass to Joe by Korean.
Konti pa. Yeah. Ibuka mong konti yung pamaypay.
St. Francis David.
Yan!
Santos. Ugali. Biglang Santos again. Santos Green. Santos versus
Patay.
Green. And the
Ay!
for the good back.
Alon!
And Valentina. William Stino. Pass to Corina. Corina. No ball. And Corina. Gets the line. Ugali right over Green. Next time. And again, there's the result. Obviously, number 13, losing foul. Good personal foul, big guy.
Uy!
Corina, out, and Navarro, second. Going for the receiver, becomes Gabasan. Gabasan attack. Becomes inside, visible. And Gano is here. Dio, Kubarangan. Back to Dio. Here comes Nemenzo, bounce pass inside. Delgado is up. Professor Kubaran. And then there's one up. Obviously number 10. Lead the hand. Same personal foul, Dio. Last 47 seconds. And the score is 115. And good first from Abrahamo. William second. 40 seconds on the lead clock. Gabasa. Williams Gabasa. Elbow shot. And basket is good.
Inam talaga maglaro.
All 52.
Wala na yung kaba niya.
25 seconds on the game clock. Pass to Miguel, Williams is steal. Okali, Lisa, and for the lead. And time out goal, Team Muñoz, and the score, 54-52. 2-point lead from Lisa. And then we're back. And once again, the score, 54-52. 2-point lead, Team Lisa. And 16 seconds left for the third quarter. Peralta, Trujillo. 10 seconds, setting the play. Here comes Nurian. 5 seconds. Williams is still, Rupango. Pass break to Labasan. Labasan and Luisa Blue. And again, he will hit.
Kinakap,
Sinakap mo.
tinawagan na nga eh.
Oh.
Eh si coach nagalit.
Tinawagan na pa eh.
Oh.
Yung pa pinuputok ng...
Gusto niya yung siguro yung ganun sa kanina din.
Ha?
Gusto niya yung ganun din sa kanila. Natanggalan siyang player eh.
Eh, siyempre, kukunin yung oras eh, di ba?
Oh. Tinawagan naman eh.
Kung sana ko hindi. Pupulain ko dito. Masyado kasi magagaling kung nagpunta na to eh.
Kaya naman, lumalaban naman yung team niya. Malakas ng player niya.
There's a unsportsmanlike foul for jersey number 23, Peralta. 3 minutes sitting on the bench. 2 free throw for Team Rizal, plus 4 possession. And there's a
Technical. Technical eh.
Technical, no?
again, there's a unsport for Peralta. And there's another call for the Hawks of Rizal. Technical foul out of the playing court. Hawks of Rizal, juniors. Again, there's a 2 free throw for Larry Gabasa for the unsportsmanlike foul. This ball possession. Okay, mauna po may isang free throw rin po. May isang free throw, technical free throw para sa Team Muñoz. At yan po ay gagawin ko ito rin. And 2 free throw for Rizal for the unsportsmanlike foul ball. And again, Peralta will go to the bench for 3 minutes.
Anspo, saka technical.
Ayan,
Saklap yung
ulitin
coach.
po natin ang tawag kay coach.
Napaalis na siya sa court.
Okay. And we're good. Ulit po sa ating mga players. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan ang sabi ni Congressman Mario Cocoy sa tulog. Ang inyong pasensya ay inyong mabaan.
Next game na siya makakuha.
May tawag naman.
Sana ko walang tawag, pwede mo magreklamo.
And technical free throw from Tuina.
Tsaka kwan akap naman, hindi naman yung naisubsob, hindi naman yung nasaktan. Pinigil lang niya talaga para wag
Para hindi
i-check yung
na
bola.
mag-score.
Oo. Para hindi itapon yung bola.
And pass reverse. And 2 free throw from Team San. Plus ball possession. And we're good. And that's point two.
Point
Point
2.
two.
Isa lang.
And that's the end of the
Isa lang.
third quarter. And this goal, 54-53. Isa naman po ang kalamangan ng Team Rizal.
Alam mo, si Bobo, kayo ba? Nagkakarin niya ka?
And nabibili po na kay Mr. Jano Valencia. And kay Rabin Romas. Good po. And we're back. Last hour. Last 10 minutes of action. 1.3. Rizal. 54-53. Santos. Santos drive. And skip by Palinan. Dino. And there's a foul call. Jersey number 7, Gabasa. First team foul, Rizal. Third personal foul, Gabasa. And first shot, no good. Second one miss. Ray Pacol. Gabasa. Gabasa getting great. Off balance. Rebound. Barangan. Barangan attack the ring. And shot is good. Barangan. 55-54. Munoz take the lead after that shot. Santos step back. Santos drive.
Ganda. Oh!
Hasan go foul for Jersey
Paano?
number
Resita, no?
for number 19. Second personal foul. Angeles. Jersey number. And second one. Last game. Balikan ang laman. Barangan pass to Angeles. Barangan drive. Barangan goal. And again. 1.3 Munoz. Santos. Santos attack. Lays up. And answer back. By Santos, Aaron. Barangan once again, nice pass inside, and back it goes. Comment. And foul ball for Jersey number 6. Warning for 5 fouls with Pacol. And a bonus shot. Miss. Santos again. Santos way downtown. No good. And there's a contact. Number 19. Third personal foul. Angeles. And Pacol will go to the bench. Ugali, taking back. Angeles out. Santos in. Santos looking for the receiver. Williams is good. Korean running. Still by Santos. Santos once again. Santos was Pato. There is Pato. Gets the line. Barangan. Munoz. Over the defender. And jump ball. Same ball. There's a foul call. Number 33. Dino. Dino, tama ko ba? Or there's number 33. Who's foul? Okay. Number 8. Nabasa. Dino. Sorry, number 8. Dino. Pick up his second personal foul. Munoz basketball. Munoz out. Munoz in. Then we shoot. Marinas to Tino. Tino attack. And finish is good by Barangan. Kanina na naman. 61-60. Then Leon penetrate as fast as Pato Google. Marinas rebound. Barangan outside. Baseline, shot is blocked. Rebounded down to Santos. And Santos to Labasan. And now Labasan again, another bucket.
Lupit yung
Balik
pasa.
sa halaman ang Rizal. Tino to Marinas. And out of bounds. Santos out. Turnover. Bejano, check in. Ugali to Gapasan. Once again, Gapasan. Now this time, Bejano, rebound. Nice pass. And another bucket for Barangan. Santos once again.
Go! Uli!
Marinas to Tino and Tino lose the ball. Sayang, pagkakataon. Marinas will go to the bench. Peralta going in. Again, Santos, Ugali, way down, not this time. Here comes the tackle queen, Coringan, and still by Santos. 3-on-2, Santos for the layup, yes, he got it. And there's a timeout call for the home team. Munoz, Water Buffaloes. Ayan sa bench mo ng Munoz. Ang tigas mo. Coringan. Tail shot. Jumper miss. Rebound, Delion. Delion pakabasa. Kapasa ng attack. Delion papa. Nice follow for Delion. 3-point lead. Rizal. Tino for Gray. For the guy. Short. Rebound, Coringan. And he got hit. Counter 0-0 Santos. Bengano out. The big guy, Abrahano. Check in. Second personal foul Santos. First shot, in and out.
Ay, nasa Petro si Tulingan, ano?
Second throw. Is good. 2-point ball game. Under 5 minutes. Mga papabuelo, marami pang mangyayari. Santos Santos Pindilot to Kapasan. Kapasan. Double defenders. Still by Torian. Peralta. Peralta pass to Abrahano. Abrahano to Torian. Torian layup and the game goal is good. 66. All. High game. Napakagandang laban po ang binibigay natin. Santos Purway. Short. Peralta, pick the ball. Estetico. Pino to Barangan. Barangan Bumuelo. And then there's a whistle. Number 8, blocking foul. Penalty. Third personal foul. Daniel.
Aras kayo. Pag nadaga ng ngayon.
Kaya, ayun na. Masing yun lang. Oo nga.
Bigat na.
First shot miss. And moving the second. 1-point lead. Lead by Kim Munoz. Rebound Santos. Santos. Ese pasan sa Tumasa. Tumasa dito ni Silvio Barangan. Barangan. Oh, Barangan shot. And the shot is good. Rebound Santos. Santos on the right. Santos Rover. Rover man. And Alvarado Williams. Pass to Tino. Williams Tino. Corner. Peralta. Pass outside to Tino. And then here's Sakata. And there's a ball is number 7. Pushing foul. Gabasan. And Gabasan running for 5 foul. And
Parating si boss.
And then we're back. And once again the score is 69. 66, 3-point lead. Kim Munoz. And 3 minutes 19 seconds for the final quarter.
The two big man.
And for the Bulls,
Bante na. 70-66.
and last free throw. And very good on the line. Rebounds Gabasan. Gabasan side to win, side to swing. Gabasan will pass outside. Great handle, from out of the key. And design. Peralta. And Steve. Pass to Esparto Lisa. And Esparto for the finish. Williams Tino. Tino kali Gabasan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tino goes to Lisa. Too strong. And rebound Santos. Santos Buelo na. And Luis and Low.
Galing umuli ng bola.
Foul is number 23. And third personal foul, Peralta. And with that completion to Santos. Rebound the Bulls. Moving the second. Dino with the ball. Williams Marangan. Marangan and again. There's the result. Orders number 7. In the hand, Sambas, third personal foul. Penalty. Miss in the first. Maybe the second. And now we go to the bench. Big Kurama for the Switch. Gabasa drive, Williams Repango. And Repango losing the ball. 2 minutes.
Nako, all.
171. Williams Pino. 10 seconds. Set the screen. Pino nakawala. Tap o parang short. And rebound by Repango. Senor. Isa basketball.
Nangangambi.
Di makascore ng Rizal. Hoy!
And
Ano na sila, warning na si...
Ay, mag-iingat na yan.
Amoy overtime.
Williams Gabasa. Gabasa, and again, Gabasa. Miss, and rebound by Corina. And over by Tino, Williams Tino. Tino, pass to Vikrama. Here comes Marangan. Marangan, pass outside to the middle. Vikrama attack, not this time. Offensive rebound by Corina, stop move. Williams is steal, Gabasa. Gabasa on the run, Gabasa takes up. And then, he there's a attack. Foul is in number 19. And warning for high foul, Angeles. And warning for penalty, Munoz. And Luis Alvarez. And then all 71. That's 1 seconds on the lead clock. Must be goal from Gabasa. And that's 5 seconds for the lead. 1.8, 72, 71.
Namang pa.
Williams Tino. Tino, pass po na at Turingan. And Turingan, Condanzo. Takes the lead, 70, 72. Williams Santos. Santos, naman pass dito. Wilpano, Williams back. 39 seconds on the game clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to the right, ng Gabasa. Not this time. Turingan, right to work. Williams Turingan, go to the player, go to the receiver. And go to the Williams. Angeles, pass inside, baseline, lose the ball. And turn it over. Williams Gabasa.
Gracias.
Gabasa.
Win or lose.
15 seconds on the line. And the Gabasa. And final goal, Team Rizal. And the score, 73-72. Isa na po ang kalabangan ng Team Muñoz. Back to the game. And once again, 10 seconds on the game clock. And 9 seconds on the shot clock. About Facebook, pakilabas po yung buhay natin. And back to the game. Paupo nga po yung mga bench. Hindi po makikita po sa committee. Maraming salamat po. Pero kung isipin ko ng Santos sa kapasisan. Bukang sila ng Santos. Santos! Nag-isa po na po ba? Nag-isa. Marunggol! Pimuños!
1.6. 73-72.
Isa lang po ang naman ng Team Muñoz. And last 1.6 seconds for the final quarter.
Nice defense.
And again, we're back. Sino na ang ating panalo, ang ating talo? O mag-umabutin niya ulit. And again, once again, 1.6 seconds. And the score, 73-72. Happiness in bonding, going for the zero. Rebounds to Rina. And there's a foul.
Pinakamasaya talagang maglaban to.
This is number 8. Here we go.
Sweet chili mansi at saka kalamansi. Kontrapelo talaga. Ay!
That's the goal. Good. And that's the end of the regulation. And the final score, 73-72. Win by Zion Silvio Muñoz. Water Bulgaras. And just this play of the game, he contribute 16 points, 1 assist, 15 rebounds, 3 steals, and 6 blocks. Mr. Kapalki Aaron Turingan. Mr. Turingan, balik mo ang mga fans. Mr. Turingan. Mr. Aaron Turingan. Balik mo ang mga fans.
Maraming salamat sa aking kaibigan para sa aking nanay ko. At sa kataligan nito, meron ako sa tulong kay Sally Nelson Tudor. Pati ko rin ako ang family ko. Girlfriend ko, mga kaibigan ko, mga sa Dolores. Luis Waters, mga kaibigan, kay Lodwa, kayo. Sa National Security. Kay Boss Roger. Kay Coach Mo. At lalo kay Kapitan sa tsaka President General.
And once again, best player of the game, Mr. Kapalki Aaron Turingan. Aaron, brother. Aaron Turingan. At magpailing na po ang ating